Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blonde y se cae Dolores.
What's up, homie? So we have here something new for you. We have something new. Instead of lowrider bikes, right now we have a Red Cat lowrider car. Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your boy Kid07 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For all my new subscribers was popping, and for the one that always been there since day one, mad love. I appreciate y'all for real. So in today's video, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna be unboxing a misterCartoon lowrider truck. Something I always wanted was a Red Cat lowrider car, and I finally got one, and I got a special edition one. As y'all can see, misterCartoon and RC did a collab together, and I had to get it, man. Look at this beauty. Look at the outside of the box, man. This is something beautiful. This is something nice. I'll leave this here if y'all want to put it pause. Y'all can read what it has on the back. But man, this car is so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, man. I was so excited. I got this for myself for a Christmas gift, and unbelievable. The packaging is very beautiful. As y'all can see right here, we have the ice cream truck from misterCartoon. This one is very nice. Look, it got the gold lettering with the gold details on them. You know, I was excited to get this, guys. It was something nice. Something nice for myself. Something that will be in my collection. Something that will stay with me for a long time. And maybe later down the road, I will, hook it up, give it some lights. Give it a little bit more bang to it. But I think the way it is perfect. I ain't gonna lie. Right here we have, I think it's a paper holder that it came with, a little extra gift. Yeah, I can see a little bobblehead we got going on here. That's my dog Henny right there on the side. Then a little note, she's like, "What's that, Dad? What's that?" I want to play with it. No, baby girl, you ain't gonna play with it. But this is what we got there. Look at this. This is called, I think it's called paperweight. As you can see. The packaging on this one right here, man, was awesome. It was well packed. It was well put together. And I was, like I said, I was happy with it. I was happy with the packaging, the way it came.
I know you're lying.
She hating. Haters gonna hate. That's all I gotta say. And this right here is a little tough to come off, so you gotta be careful the way you take it out. You don't want to break it. You want to just take your time on it. If you need 2 hands, try to get somebody else to help you, but try not to force it out or anything like that. You don't want to break this. Remote control car.
You know I'm for you Barbies.
Yeah. She trying to be funny. Now she telling my daughter gonna be for her Barbies. She trying to be funny, yo. I ain't gonna lie. Right. Yep, there goes my daughter now. See, look at that. See one more girl there? Corrupted her mind. Now she think it's gonna be for her Barbies. But nope. It's gonna be in the box, tucked away, not in sight, hidden, only for me. Okay, so Here are all the details that has. The murals. The front of it. The back of it. You can see the rims. So I can see we took it apart. It's very easy to take out. It's magnet. See on the back, it's magnetic. But you gotta be careful when you take it off. You gotta take it off from the back, very gently. You know, very gently here. Put one finger here, one here, and just very gently lift it up. You know, like I said, it's magnetic right here. To turn it on, it's right here. As you can see, turns on. Turns on the light on the front. Turns on the light on the back. You see the battery it runs. This is right here is the connector. You gotta charge the battery and then connect it here. It's pretty neat, it's pretty neat. This is the remote control that it comes with. As you can see. Alright, when you turn this button on, the car's gonna jump a little bit. I'm gonna do it right now real quick, as you can see. You see that? There's the switches for the front, as you can see. It says front right there. Whoa. So I concentrated. It's kind of blurry. But you can see you got the front right there. We put both of them up. Both go up. And the back as well goes up. See how that looks. And then we got the circle button right here. Brings down the back. You see the front one as well. Okay. You can see if you want to, you can put it on your threes. Make it reverse. As you can see, the back has reverse lights. You drop it. Drop it. If you want. And jump back. I like to roll it like that. Like I said, this is my first Red Cat lowrider, and I'm very grateful to have one. You know, I'm very happy with this one. You see the wheels turns. I'm happy that I got it. What? Yeah. It's very fun to play with. Very fun to play with. I like it. I haven't taken it outside yet because it's been cold. But I've been playing it inside with it, practicing, you know, here and there. But it's something nice to have. It's very enjoyable. I'm very happy with it. You know, the kids love it. Let me see what we got here. Like I say, guys, it's very fun. I like it a lot. I'm happy with it. You see the undercarriage, the rims. It's very nice. You see on the other side as well. It sounds nice. I liked it. I like it very much. I like it very much. I'm happy with it. You know, I can't wait till the summertime when it gets nicer outside. I can start playing with it. Little by little, I can start hooking it up, add lights, add a couple things to it. You know, I'm very happy with it. But on to the next video, guys. I want to thank you for the love and I want to thank you for the support. But this is just a different video, a little gift I got for myself. Little RC car. Always wanted a lowrider bike. I mean, a lowrider RC car. And I wanted to get one for a while right now, guys. And I finally did. You know, I didn't think I would get one of this ones. You know, I thought I was going to get like a 6'4" or something like that. You know, but... You know, God had other plans. You know what I mean? He's like, you know what, son? You're going to get misterCartoon's ice cream truck. Something very nice. Collector's item. You know, something that you got to have in your collection. And I got one for my first one. You know, but this is something, like I said, guys, this is a fun toy I got for myself. Will not be used a lot. Certain occasions, certain events, I will. But like I said, guys, I'm gonna have fun with it. I know I'm gonna probably get other different rims. The rims it has on it is good, but just for the future, you know, I'm gonna maybe switch it out. Maybe the rubber on it wears off. But nah, guys, I always want to thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for the love. Thank y'all for sticking around. Thank y'all for sticking by. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all, guys. God bless y'all and take care. Peace out, guys. Give it a little bit. He's happy. Look at boom, boom. You see the light on the front. You see the light on the back. It's pretty cool, right, guys? The packaging on it is beautiful. Just chilling right now. Just happy. You happy?
What?
He's saying he's happy. You happy, right? Till the next time, guys. God bless y'all. Like I always say, keep praying. Always pray. Never forget to pray. Like I always say, keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. God bless y'all. Have a good night.